Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to watch a video on Amazon Prime. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to watch a video on Amazon Prime, you just simply have to open your Amazon Prime Video application, and then this home page will appear. Now into here you can see all movies and TV shows option. Just simply select what you want to watch, and what you want to watch is not into this list. You can also use this search button into here, and you can also filter your search from here. And after getting what you want to watch, just simply select that, then this page will appear. Now in order to watch, you just simply have to tap into this play option at the first, or you can go to episodes section, and from here you can choose whatever episode that you want to play and then click into this play button. Then after that, your content will start to play into Amazon. This way you can easily watch videos on Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.